Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your device supports Face ID, and the Gallery app has camera and biometrics permissions. Once done, open the gallery and pick a clear frontal photo of the person you want to register. Make sure the face fills the frame and lighting is neutral. This helps the algorithm map consistent facial landmarks. Tap the photo options, choose Add Face or Create Contact Face, and proceed when the app prompts for face capture. This starts the registration process immediately. Now capture multiple samples so the model learns variations. The app will ask you to rotate the head or take a few shots. Do this slowly to let the system register different angles and expressions. Once the app generates a composite, review the face bounds and adjust the crop if the chin or forehead is clipped. Make sure to add a name or tag that matches your contacts or album taxonomy, because consistent labeling improves future search and auto-grouping in the gallery. Finish by saving the face entry and enabling auto-tagging for new photos. This lets the gallery auto-group future images. Then test the setup. Search the person's name or open their face group to confirm additional pictures are being recognized. If recognition fails, re-register using clearer, evenly lit photos and ensure permissions remain granted. As a last resort, reset face data in the gallery settings and repeat registration. This clears corrupt templates and typically resolves persistent matching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.